Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome back to our O-level biology lecture series. In the previous lecture, we learned what cells are and how they are studied. Today, we will study the structure of an animal cell and its function of its part. By the end of this video, you will be able to draw and label animal cell, name its part, explain the function of each part. So let us begin this video. Firstly, we will discuss the general structure of an animal cell. An animal cell is a microscopic and usually round or irregular in shape. It has three main parts: cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. Like this, you can see the shape of animal cell. It's usually round or irregular. Firstly, we will discuss the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance inside the cell. Every cell has a material which has jelly-like consistency. This is known as cytoplasm. If we are talking about the function of cytoplasm, we said that most of the chemical reactions needed for life take place in the cytoplasm. It also contains small structures called organelles such as mitochondria. So keep it in your mind. The small structure that is present inside the cytoplasm is called organelles. Then we will discuss cell membrane. Cell membrane is a thin boundary surrounding the cell. The main function of cell membrane is that it controls the movement of substances in and out of the cell. It allows useful substances like oxygen and glucose to enter and waste substances to leave the cell. The cell membrane is partially permeable. It means that it is selective in nature. It allows only some substances to pass through it. Now we will discuss the third main part, that is nucleus. The nucleus is usually round and located in the center of the cell. The main function of nucleus is that it controls the activity of the cell. It contains genetic material. It controls cell division. The nucleus controls the activity of the cell. This is the most important line of the nucleus. The nucleus controls the activities of the cell. This is the part that take hold of the cell. Now we will discuss some important organelles like mitochondria, ribosomes, and the function of these organelles. These are the organelles that are more prominent in the animal cells. We are talking about the animal cells. So these are the basic organelles that are present. Firstly, we will discuss mitochondria. Mitochondria are rod-shaped structures found in the cytoplasm. Functions. If we talk about the functions, they release energy by respiration. This energy is needed for movement, growth, and repairing. So, the most important point here is mitochondria are the site of aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is the process that takes place in the presence of oxygen. Next important organelle is ribosomes. Ribosomes are very small particle in the cytoplasm and its main function is to make proteins. Proteins are needed for growth and repairing of the body. So, an animal cells contain cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, mitochondria, and ribosomes. Here are the some important points that is animal cells don't have. Firstly, we will discuss the things that animals have. Now we are going to discuss the things that animals don't have. Animals don't have cell wall, chloroplast, and large permanent vacuole. Now, the basic exam focus is you have to learn about the simple labeled animal cell and name its part, function of each part. This is the most important point for your exams. Your question will be like this: name one structure found in an animals and state its function. Okay, so you can answer like this: nucleus. Nucleus controls cell activities. Okay, focus on the question again. Name one structure found in an animal cell and state its function. You have to name any one of the structure. So the simple answer is nucleus. Nucleus control the cell activities. You can also give some the name of some other structures that is found in the animal cells. Today we learned the structure of an animal cell, the function of cell membrane, the function of cytoplasm, the function of nucleus, and the role of mitochondria and ribosomes. So students, this was our lecture on the animal cells. In the coming lecture, we will study structure of plant cells and difference from animal cells. Make sure you revise today's lesson and practice drawing the diagram. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your classmates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz and see you in the next video. Take care.